Hi there and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited because today I'm doing a whole deep dive into my new Prada bag. Yes, I am so excited. I will be doing an unboxing, giving you some history, giving you some reviews, telling you about my experience buying the bag because I bought it in Paris and I'm so excited to share this with you. So I bought the Prada Galleria Saffiano leather mini bag and she is adorable. She is in red. So this iconic bag was born in 2007. However, its name Galleria dates back to 1913 when the first Prada store opened up in Milan, and that was under Mario Prada, the grandfather of Miuccia Prada. So first, I'm going to go into my experience buying the bag. I'm going to show you an entire video where I walk you through that, so go and check that out. I recently took a trip to Paris and bought the prettiest Prada bag, so come along with me on my journey to get my bag, and I'm going to give you some tips on luxury shopping in Europe. So keep in mind, when you're shopping in France, you get 12% back with the VAT refund, and my first stop was at Burberry. Looked at this bag online, but to be completely transparent, was not impressed with the material. It still is a cute bag, but I was determined to move on somewhere else, so I went to Armani. I looked at this bag last May when I went to Paris and absolutely adored it. However, I did not end up getting it, but it's gorgeous. My next stop was at the flagship Chanel store in Paris, which is genuinely just so iconic. And fun fact, if you buy anything from this specific store, the bag you receive will have a white rose on it, and that's only for this specific Chanel store. It was really cool coming to the Chanel store right after seeing the debut at Fashion Week. I did find this really cute purse with a pearl top handle. It's limited edition, it was the last one there, but I decided to check out Prada next. Let me tell you, the experience was impeccable. Maxime was my sales associate, and he was the best. I love when sales associates are so knowledgeable and so helpful, and he did an amazing job of helping me pick the perfect bag. I had a bunch of different bags, including these limited edition ones with the flowers. However, I fell in love with this red bag. He gave me the trench to try on with it, and I was obsessed. So I have been to the Prada store in Paris multiple times, and my experience there has always been amazing. The staff has always been so friendly, so willing to help, so educated. So I definitely highly recommend getting a Prada bag in Paris. Good move, but genuinely the nicest people ever. Such a good experience. Of course, I had a glass of champagne, and it was just amazing. So in terms of the actual bag, I'm going to show you an unboxing. And then I'm going to get into all the details of this bag because it has a ton of details. So check out my unboxing. I am so excited. I am about to unbox my new Prada bag and show you all my new bag. So here's the box. I got it in Paris and I was absolutely in love with it when I first saw it. It is like this gorgeous red color and I can't wait to show you. Packaged just like this. I already have a white and black bag, so I really wanted something that would kind of be a statement bag and stand out, and I wear so much neutrals that I just think this will be perfect. This is the bag. My favorite part about the bag is it comes with a bunch of really nice gold hardware, and also it just has so many amazing details. The bag unsnaps on the sides, which is really cool because you can expand it and make it bigger. So inside of the bag, it comes with this little card that shows that it is authentic. She is a real Prada bag. And it comes with a little strap, so I'm going to open that up and try it on both with and without the strap. So anyhow, I'm about to go to a little date night, and I'm so excited to take her out for the first time. I'm going to show you the details up close, starting with the little Prada logo. So adorable. And of course, it comes with a little keychain right there. And one of the coolest parts of the bag is the 3-pocket bag. Yes, this is considered a 3-pocket bag. That's what they call it. They have the 2 zippers at the top. And of course, you have the middle part. And inside the bag, there are 2 compartments. So there's a one here, and there's one here without a zipper, just if you want to throw something in for easy access. So besides being able to just hold the bag in your hand like this, as you would with the little natural handbag, there's also a strap. And you can just attach the strap with these little hooks on the inside. And as I showed you in the unboxing, you can make it bigger and smaller just by snapping and unsnapping these, which is really, really cool. Here is the strap. It is, of course, the same leather as the bag, and it has these little gold hooks, and you can even adjust it. It just makes the bag easy to wear and style in any way. Another cool part is on the actual clip, you can see it says Prada, which I just think is super fun. A little touch of Prada. And there's even little feet on the bottom. So definitely holds up right. And then the actual leather of the bag is not always being directly placed on the surface that you're placing it on. One of the best parts about this bag, in my opinion, is it is just so practical and so usable. I feel like I can use this whether I'm just running a quick little errand and I just want to bring my bag with me, or for a date night out, for a little brunch. And I think it'll be so cute around the holidays in the winter. And it's also just a nice red color for fall, but you can also wear it with like polka dots in the summer. And it just is super fun. I absolutely love it. I actually took her out last night when I went on a little date night. I can show you some clips from that. I had so much fun, but I went to dinner and a couple wine bars, walked around Washington, D.C. with her, and she held up great. The leather is just so smooth. It is almost buttery. And of course, the new bag smell is amazing. But I truly do love the bag. And I hope you guys check it out because the Galleria bag is iconic for a reason. In terms of price, in the US, this retails for $4,000 for the mini one. However, when you're in Europe, you get the VAT refund, which I think is about 14% in France, where I bought the bag in Paris. I highly recommend getting this bag. The Galleria bag is iconic for a reason. It has a little snap. I love it so much. And I just think I'm going to use this bag so much. So you definitely will be seeing this in more of my videos. If you want more luxury experiences, bags, travel, etc., definitely subscribe to me because I will be posting a ton more between Prada, Dior, you name it. I got it. All to show my experiences in London, Paris, all over the world. So stay tuned and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next time when I'm wearing my boots abroad.